Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to the second segment of today's Iqra with Iqra. And we have reached ayat number 10303 in Surah Al-Baqarah. So, more calls until the last segment, which will be Who Wants to Be the Best Reciter segment. And I am urging many of you to call in that last segment. So, if your voice, the melody, the sound, the pronunciation, the application of tajweed rules that you have already learnt or you know, if all is good, then you will automatically be fast-tracked in one of the advanced rounds in the Q Factor for this year, which will start, inshallah, February next month, first Friday, and you will see the promo or the advert on Iqra TV very, very soon. We've reached verse number 103, like I said, and it has been a good reading from verse 60. We started from 60, so not bad whatsoever, but I think we need to kind of get more people on board, like the morning session. See, I can't get the adults calling in because there are too many of them and they can't all fit in the morning session. So they request to have some time during the evening session, which so far I have said no to, because I want this time to be for you guys, dedicated for you lot, and to get more and more teenagers and youth and children calling in and making your Quran better, making your recitation good, and you being in a position where you are able to recognize the rules of tajweed in these very ayat. It doesn't matter where you read from, because you know and you will know the rules of tajweed, you are able to apply those rules. So yeah, you're starting off verse number 103, for example. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu. Here you will see the ya, it has a standing fatha, and it also has a wavy mud on top. And ayyuha, alif has a fatha. Now, you may wonder, is this madda muttasil or munfasil? Is it madda jaiz munfasil or is it madda wajib muttasil? Which one is it? Because Hamza and the mud letter or the standing fatha in the same word, looking at it, the mud letter and the Hamza seems to be in the same word. But in actual fact, it is not. Ya is a letter on its own, ayyuha is on its own. Hence why we have the wavy mud, and the wavy mud tells us that this is mad jaiz munfasil for a start. Muttasil means together, yani the mad letter, any of the mad letters, alif, wa, or ya, and the Hamza is present in the same word. That's what makes mad wajib muttasil. And mad munfasil means separation. Yani the Hamza is separated. It is not in the same word as the mad letter, whether it's alif, whether it's waw, or whether it's ya. Okay? So, ya ayyuha is mad jaiz munfasil, which means that the ayyuha, the Hamza is separated from the ya. So if I was to write this down for you, well, you know what, before I write it down, let's quickly go over the rules, because yesterday I did tell you guys to write it down, but I will come back to ya ayyu, but I've made it clear anyway. Ya ayyuhalladhina, ya a letter on its own, ayyuha on its own. Let's put this on so we will have a better understanding of mad jaiz munfasil, which is in ya ayyuha. Because I've told you many times that the wavy mud represents mad jaiz munfasil. Okay, this is on now. Yeah. So once this fully loads and comes on, I will be in a position to show you write ya ayyuha down and separate ya from ayyuha So it's clear for you. And also I want to go over the sifat until we get another call. Hams, jahar is one pair. Shidda, rikhwa is another pair. Isti'la, istifal is another pair. After that we have itbaq and infita, another pair, the fourth pair. And then we have the yes, we have this. This should be on screen. Hopefully once it comes up, then I can show everyone. Hams jahar being the first pair, shidda, rikhwa, second pair, and tawassut in between. Remember, tawassut is in between. Isti'la, istifal, itbaq, infita, idlaq, and ismat. These are mutazadda sifat. These are characteristics with opposites. Okay, these are characteristics with opposites. Can we have it on screen? Yes or? Okay, right. So let us try again for you, inshallah, and hopefully this should work. But in the meantime, I hope you've got the characteristics, the names of the sifat written down, because that is a part of the tajweed, just like makharij. But for makharij, you can go on YouTube and type in my name, Rayan Mahmud, makharij in English, and you will have makharij there, which you can quite easily learn. But for this, okay, let's find this again. For some reason it's showing that it's connected, but okay, brilliant. Okay, there we go. So I will show. Yesterday we went over this. I'll quickly do this and I'm going to explain ya ayyuha. Hams jahar, hams and jar written in English, write it down. This is one pair, hams jahar. Okay. Can you see that? Then you have number two, shidda and rikhwa. Shidda, rikhwa. In between we have tawassut here. Tawassut is in between. Then we've got isti'la and istifal. Can you see? Isti'la, istifal. Then we have itbaq and infita. Itbaq and infita. Then izlaq and ismat. These are mutazadda sifat. Okay, now what does mutazadda sifat mean? Mutazadda sifat means characteristics with opposites. Okay, characteristics with opposites. That's what mutazadda sifat means. Now let's come back to ya ayyuha, because I want to explain that to you. And if you write ya ayyuha here, ya ayyuha, okay? Put the wavy mud there, fatha there. Do you see that? Now, this ya is on its own. Ya. When you say oh, hello, or when you say ya Abdullah, oh Abdullah. So ya represents oh. When you're calling someone, it's a letter of calling. Harfun nida, we call it in Arabic. Harfun nida, it's a letter used to call someone, to alert someone. Yeah. And ayyuha over here, this part from here, all of this is another word. So ya is one word. Ya over here is one word. Okay, ya is on its own and ayyuha on its own. That's why you have the wavy mud here. Madda jaiz munfasil. So it's two separate words. Ya ayyuhalladhina. Okay, now coming back to our sifat, hams and jahar, shidda, rikhwa. Now, the letters of hams, I want you to write this down. The letters of hams is this. So let's write hams here. Hams. The letters are fahathahu, fa, ha, tha, hu, shakhsun, shin, kha, sad, sakata, sin, kaf, ta, sakata. Okay? فحثه شخص سكت. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 letters of hams. Okay, 10 letters of hams. Remember that. Now the remaining letters after the fahatha shakhsun sakata, the remaining letters are, I will show you. Right, there we go. The remaining letters, this hams, the remaining letters are for jahar. Jahar. So jahar, which ones are they? The remaining. Okay? Remaining letters, jahar. It should be coming up. I feel on the screen in a bit. It's not coming up at the moment. So hams is fahathahu shakhsun sakata. And the remaining kitne? 18. Remaining 18 letters are jahar, because 28 in total, so remaining 18 are jahar. So make sure you write that down, please. Everyone write that down. Remaining 18 is jahar. So these are hams. As you can see, hams, fahathahu shakhsun sakata are the 10. Then jahar is 18. Now let's go to shidda. Shidda are how many? Ajidu, qattin, bakata. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are 8 letters of shidda. Now, in between shidda and rikhwa, I told you is tawassut. So let's write this down. Tawassut, okay? Tawassuta lin Umar. Lam, Noon, Ain, Mim, Ra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lin Umar. That's tawassut and that's shidda. Okay? Tawassut, that's 5. Now the remaining are for rikhwa. Remaining are for rikhwa. Okay, we'll explain the rest inshallah another time, because after the break we will move on to who wants to be the best reciter. So I want many calls, lots of calls coming in for the next segment inshallah, because I want to see who reads really well and who I can possibly put through to one of the rounds and advanced rounds and the Q Factor for this year. Don't go anywhere. Assalamu alaikum.